Did you know that you can install a normal website as an app on your laptop or computer? Okay, you can do that in Microsoft Edge browser. I checked the other browsers such as Firefox, uh, Google Chrome, but I cannot find the tool for installing websites as apps. So let's say I went to the Android store on my phone and I found the app for the national newspaper and I install it on my phone. And then I would like to do the same thing on my laptop. So I search all over the internet and I cannot find the computer version of the national newspaper, the app for the computer. So I cannot find it. So the only option is to use Microsoft Edge browser. I find this little tool very handy, and I can be able to install many of my favorite websites as apps on my laptop or computer. Okay, like I said, you cannot do this on using other browsers. You can only do this in Microsoft Edge browser. So it's straightforward. All you have to do is open the website that you want to install as an app. In this example, I'm going to install the national newspaper website as an app so that it is installed on my desktop computer, on my computer, and I can be able to access it as an app, just like any other app that I downloaded and installed on my laptop. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open that website. Okay, I'm using the national website as newspaper website as an example. So it's now open in my browser. And then I'll look for this browser settings on the top right hand side of the browser toolbar. You'll see three dots here, those dots on the top right hand window of the browser. So you click on those dots, and then you see the list of tools or menus dropping down. So you search for more tools. So scroll down. Okay, here it is, more tools. And then you move your mouse to the left and go up to apps. So point your mouse on apps and then move your mouse, or point your mouse on install this site as an app. Okay, install this site as an app. So you click on it and then it will have a pop-up the message here. It says the national, your number one daily. And then you see install, not install on the bottom right hand side. So I'm going to click on install. And then you see options for you to select. Allow this app to pin to taskbar, which is already selected. You can uncheck it if you don't want to pin it. Pin to start menu, which is this one. You can pin it here. You can also check this one to create a shortcut on the desktop. Okay. If you want to auto start when you log in into your device, you can check this one. But I don't want to do that, so I'll just leave this one unchecked and then I'll click allow. Okay, so I'm going to click on allow. Okay, the app is now converted into an app and it is installed on the laptop now. So if I close this website, the national website, newspaper website, or go to the desktop and look for the shortcut there, the national newspaper. Okay, it is here. So the shortcut is created here. So I'm going to double click on it to open it. Now you can see that it has been converted into a website, into an app now. Okay, it is no longer a website. So you can open it anytime and read the news. Okay, all right. You can see the news on the Prime Minister's mini budget. Okay, so it's straightforward. You can do that if you search online for an app to install and you cannot find it, then the only option is open the website and then use Microsoft what Edge browser, and then you can install it as an app. Okay. All right, I'll do one more example of an Edge browser. I'm going to install TechRadar. TechRadar is a tech news website. Every time it publishes tech news on all sorts of tech news articles, including generative AI. So I find that TechRadar provides so many tips that I want to read from time to time to if I'm looking for specific news. TechRadar is the useful site that I found very handy. So once again going to click on the three dots there, move my mouse down, look for more tools, move my mouse to the left, move my mouse up to apps, and then point my mouse on install this site as an app. So click on it, then click install. And then uncheck or check the other options. So I'm going to check create desktop shortcut, and then I'm going to click allow. Okay. So TechRadar website is now converted into an app, and I can open it straight from my laptop whenever I need to read any news on TechRadar. Okay. So I'm going to look for the shortcut here for the app website that I installed here. So you can see. So double click to open it as an app. So TechRadar website is now converted into an app and installed on my device. Okay. So try that and you might find this tool very handy. So you don't need to waste your time going to the search engine and start typing and then searching all over the place. Why not use Microsoft Edge browser and install the app as a website as an app? Okay.